In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 different ways that you can make money online answering questions. I'm going to go from the least amount of money that you can make per day to the most amount of money that you can make in a single day answering questions. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one you should take advantage of. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com to learn how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so I'm sure you've watched a ton of videos out there that tell you that you can make $100 per day, $300 per day just by answering simple questions. And we're going to actually take a look at the 3 best ways so that you're not wasting your time, your energy, and your effort. And so the first way, which in my opinion is probably the least profitable way, and the way that I think most people are aware of, is using something like Quora. Now, Quora is a question and answer site. There are tons of them out there. There's Yahoo Answers, there's like answers.com, there's a ton of them out there, but most people will point you back to Quora, where you can type in a question, something like, is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? Like this? And then you can come in and answer questions. In fact, if you use the sneaky method that I talked about last week, you can actually find low competition questions that you can answer and start growing fast. Now, one of the drawbacks to Quora is that you can't put affiliate links here. Your content is on someone else's platform, it's borrowed, and so it actually takes a lot of traffic to start building a business and a brand. And unfortunately, because you're using someone else's platform, it can be taken away from you. So if you can see here, is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? People are answering this question, and then what you'd want to do is you'd want to link to a blog, a website, or a YouTube channel to get them off of the platform so that you can start making money. If you put your affiliate links directly in Quora, you run the risk of being banned, so you certainly don't want to do that. As you can see here, as I just showed you, there are tons of these questions. I'm using Ahrefs. It's a keyword research tool. You can go to the Site Explorer, put in Quora.com, and then any keyword that you want and find ones that you can rank for. And then come back over here and simply answer the question. So this is the least profitable way. Can you make $100 per day? Maybe. And the reason why I say maybe is because it's going to require a lot of time. You're going to need to answer at least 3 or 4 questions per day, and each question needs to be answered like a blog post. You're going to have to spend a lot of time, energy, and effort writing these blog posts. So that's number one. The second way, and I think more profitable way, is to start a blog or website. Now, you can start a blog or website for as little as like $3 per month, but you can see here, this top result here, sorry, affiliate marketing actually isn't a big, ugly scam, and they're making money in a few different ways. They can make money when they place ads right on their website with Google AdSense or other ad networks. They can make money with affiliate marketing. As you can see here over on the right-hand side, this is an ad that was placed automatically. They also have an ebook that they're giving away, so they're doing email marketing. You can see that the revenue streams are starting to pile up. With email marketing, affiliate marketing, so recommending other people's products and services, ads, there's actually like 10 ads right on this page here. It's a little overwhelming. They can also sell their own digital or physical products right through their blog or website. One of the challenges of using a blog or a website is it's highly competitive. So you're going to be fighting with websites of all sizes to compete. Can you make $100 per day with a blog? Yes, of course. If we take a look at this blog here, I'm going to scroll all the way up. If we take a look at this blog, we could get an idea of how much this blog is making really quickly. So I'm just going to paste this in just like that. And in just a moment, we'll know how much they're making every single month, potentially. This is a rough estimate, but you can see that you can easily make $100 per month with blogging. You control this platform, and so it's very difficult to get kicked off of. The only drawback to starting a blog is it's going to be highly competitive, and you're going to need to write a decent amount to start building a business and gaining traction. As you can see, according to Ahrefs, this blog makes over $200K per month with simply blogging in organic search engine optimization blogs. But I think this is a much better way than answering questions over on answers.com or some of those other places. The third way, and potentially my favorite way, is actually with YouTube. You're here on YouTube, you understand the power of YouTube, and I've typed in the exact same question in all 3 places. If we take a look, this top result here, 15,000 views from just the top result here, 2,000 views from 5 years ago. This second result, 15,000 views from just 10 months ago. and you can see the power of YouTube. And again, you can make money in a variety of ways. In my opinion, this is the best opportunity because once again, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money with affiliate marketing, so recommending other people's products and services. You can make money selling your own digital or physical products. You can make money with sponsorships or brand deals. There's a number of ways that you can make money with YouTube, and you're basically going to be answering the same question. Again, if we take a look, is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? Is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? And is affiliate marketing a pyramid scheme? 3 different ways to answer the question, 3 different ways of profitability. And you can do this with just about any niche. What you can do is come over to Quora. Once again, let's go back over to Quora.com. Quora.com. Let's see, come on. Quora.com. Like this. We can find low competition keywords that are ranking on the first page of Google, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. You can do the same thing with answers.com. I know that's another popular website out there, so we're just going to click on keywords here in just a moment if it pops up, but then you're going to go out and find low competition keywords where you can create content. So we're just going to click on organic keywords to get this going a little bit faster. We're going to type in something like weight loss or how to lose weight. And we're going to change the position so that we only see the results that show up on the front page of Google, and we can verify that in just a second. We can then take this research and then jump over to YouTube, create a video, 5 or 10 minute video answering the question, and then you can refer them over to an affiliate product or a product that you're selling on your own. So if we go here, I'm just going to pause the video until this loads. All right, we're finally back up and running. And what I've done is I've just typed in the keyword weight loss, and then I've changed the position to show only results that show up on the front page of Google. So we could take a look. What is the best time to eat flaxseed for weight loss? We could take this exact keyword here. We see that it ranks on the front page of Google. We're going to copy this, and then we could jump over to YouTube and paste this in and create content to answer this question. And then if you want to double dip, you could then take this video, go back over to Quora and say, hey, look, this is a good question. And just so you know, I created a video explaining the entire thing. So the cool thing with using Ahrefs is you just click on this link here, and it's going to take you directly to this blog post or this question where we can put in an answer, say, hey, look, this is a great question. And just so you know, I created a short video where this answers the question step by step. Most people would rather watch a video than read a blog post or an article, and that could be a great way to double dip. And if you want to take it a step further, you could actually transcribe the video and turn it into a blog post as well. And so you're actually taking advantage of all 3, and you're actually building out a real business. But if you take a look here, you can see that quick weight loss with flax seeds, 4 flaxseed recipes had 3.1 million views from 5 years ago. The one below, 1.6 million views. The third one, 637,000 views. And this is from just 10 months ago. And this person doesn't even show their face. But you can see this is a much better way to go than to use something like Quora. You might be able to make some money in the short term using these answers.com or Quora. But if you want to build a real business, you want to make passive income, this is the way to go. And then cross promote through different platforms. Now that you know 3 different ways to make money answering questions, click the first link in the description or go to members.alstongodbolt.com to learn how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.